Hi, I'm Ines from Lakota. I am here in Los Angeles and we will be making a s'mores pizza portafoglio for camping season. If you don't know what American s'mores are, it's marshmallow, chocolate, graham cracker, cooked over a campfire, and we're gonna take advantage of this beautiful heat today and finish the marshmallows in the oven. So I'm going to prepare my graham cracker and pretzels, and I'm just gonna put them here in the middle and just mash them up, crumble them, just have fun with it. Get all sorts of crumbles. This is just to add a little nice texture in the dessert, delicious campfire pizza. So I'm gonna put this off to the side, and in my other bowl is my handy dandy Gozney bench scraper, which is so nice. And then I'm gonna do a blind bake first, which is essentially cooking the pizza just as a base, nothing on it, so that we can top it with Nutella, all the dessert fixins so it doesn't burn. Okay, we're gonna plop some dough, wash it in flour, have a little flour semolina mixture. I kinda like to use both. If you wanna get really Gucci with it, I like to use rice flour, but we can't always be Gucci. So I'm gonna stretch the pizza dough. And in the meantime, I have some butter. I'm just gonna place it just at the tip there and kind of start to melt it in a little ceramic, heat-proof ramekin. Keep an eye on it because it's gonna cook fast. Bring this up. Maybe do a little flip. And then looks like the butter's looking good. So I'm gonna carefully grab that, put it off to the side, stretch the pizza a little bit more. So now I'm gonna prepare my blind bake. So I'm using like a pizza tray. I'm gonna use a little bit of the butter and I'm gonna do the edges so that it's not gonna stick. All right, so I'm gonna get my pizza peel ready. Make sure that there's a little flour so it doesn't stick with these perforated pans, edge on the side of caution, and then kind of get rid of some of the flour when you lift it. And then with my pan that I buttered, I'm gonna put it on top. All right, we'll see how she goes in the oven. Do a little shimmy, shimmy, shake. Looking good, feeling good. Woo. Put it back in. The top of the pan is, if you were to put nothing on your pizza, obviously you'd see a whole big air bubble. So that's what we're kind of trying to accomplish with this metal pizza pan. And with this pizza portafoglio, I kind of want a smaller cornicione because I'm gonna be folding it so you can eat the crust with the chocolate and the melted marshmallows. So now we're gonna finish dressing very carefully. We've got a blind bake. It's kind of pretty, it's kind of rustic, it's kind of ugly. Then I'm gonna grab the Nutella that was warming up. I'm gonna grab a spoon and just kind of mound it on there because we're gonna go for a bake again. Do another drizzle because who doesn't like chocolate? Beautiful. It almost looks kind of like a crepe in a way. And then I'm gonna add even more chocolate because I'm a chocoholic and who doesn't like more chocolate? This will add a little bit more textures if it doesn't melt all the way. And then we're gonna go heavy on the marshmallows. You know, let's go even heavier. And I kind of wanna go near the edges because I'm gonna smear it so we get that nice burned, crispy look of the marshmallows. Do you like to burn your marshmallows or do you like to slowly cook them? And then I will turn up the heat a little bit. So I've been cooking at mid-range for now. It's like we're starting to get some nice marshmallows looking pretty. I kind of like to get my marshmallows crispy and delicious looking because the bottoms will be nice. Look at those beauties. It's like you cooked it in campfire. And then I'm gonna take my pretzel graham cracker crumble for that texture. And it doesn't really matter if this part is that pretty. It's essentially a pizza sandwich. A pizza polio is like a wallet. And then look at that ooey gooiness. How gorgeous is that? It's gonna be a little hot, so bear with me. That's so yummy.